Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rihanna and today we're gonna unbox the gifts that I received yesterday. So exciting! So there's like these boxes, like these two boxes are mystery boxes. So you don't know what you will get. Like I'll show you for example. There's so many of them. Like there's a gray wolf, rhino, wild boar, there's a tiger, a crocodile, and a lion. And I can't wait to unbox these. And the second one is there's a childless graphy giraffe engine, something like that. But I think you guys can read it. So then these are like so cute. Since these are the mystery boxes, all of the mystery boxes will be opened last because you guys want to see it and want to see what I get. So probably I'll just leave this for last because I want to see what I got a bit later. Need a tower. Okay guys, so let's unbox these. So right here we have a Tabaskushi. So I think I'll open this. Guys, this is so cool. Whoa, it comes in like little foam, like little these ones, whatever this is called. It's so cute and it feels so cute. Like it feels so good. And right here I have like a little bow that I can add here. I thought there was something else on it. Oh yeah, cute little bow, see? So cute. So I'll keep this here. The next one. So all of the rubbish can go right here. Okay, so let's start. The next one is a camera. Guys, I love cameras. Like I can take lots of pictures and like things like that. Oh, you guys didn't see that. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. Guys, watch this. That's so cute. So like I said, all of the foam will go there. I don't want it. That's a lot of foam. And it comes with a really funny smiley. You know, it's like what's it called? Like the Upside Down movie? Like that movie? It's like this girl, the orange girl, it looks like her, but like in yellow. It's so cute. Now let's keep this aside. I can't wait for the waffle because the waffle is so cute. So oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cute. It comes with a little fork, guys. And like I said before, I don't want any of this bread. Okay guys, so next we're gonna unbox this funny one. Ah! It looks like a real cockroach. Ew, look! Yucky. Then we got these like little fun things. Like watch this, when I put this. Oh my god, that's so cool. Guys, it just came out. Let's do it for all of them. Wait. It's like that's so Okay, next we have this really cute squishy. So let's unopen it. Guys, wait. Shh. That's so satisfying. Next, we're gonna open this one. This is actually like the cutest. Bing. I really love the texture. Like, guys, you're really missing out. Whoa. So cool. Now, guys, I have this like keychain right here. It's so soft. And I have this right here. Like, it's the softest, guys. Like, guys, you're literally missing out. And right here, my brother bought this and I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this is actually so cool. Look, guys, watch this. When I put this in I'll put this in my finger or hand, if your hand is small. I'll put it there. Then watch this. This is so cool. This is so cool. Like, literally so cool. Then we have this weird cat unicorn mix-up thing. It looks weird. Then we have this Kuromi, so cute. So let's take it out. Whee! Oh my god! Guys, this is the cutest thing ever! It's so cute, guys. Look, literally. So cute. Guys, you're literally missing out on this cuteness. Leave that there. Now we have this so cute, fluffiest teddy bear. You'll stay right here, mister. Now let's go into the mystery boxes. So let's do the small ones, the smallest to the biggest. Move that there. There we go. That's fine. Okay, let's go to the smallest. So the smallest one is probably this one. So guys, let's unbox this. Let's see. I have actually no clue, but I think this is a mystery box. Guys, this is so cool. Okay, relax. I wonder what this is gonna be. Why is this not opening? Let's try all of the sides. Bruh. Okay, I'm not able to get this, so I can't cut this. Now wait and see. 3, 2, 1. See? I got scissors, guys! Scissors! Now let's cut this open. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's an alien Stitch! Look! It's so cute! Guys, literally this is the cutest thing ever. Now the second one. Guys, let's do these small ones. There. What is it? It's a croissant! Wait. It's a cute croissant! See? Guys, look. Like, literally, it's so cute. Guys, I'll show you guys really close when I finish opening all of them. Guys, look. This is so cute. So the first one is a croissant. Like, literally, it's so cute. And the next one, I think it's a cupcake or something. Ice cream cupcake. I think it's a cupcake. This is so cute, guys. Then, I'm not sure what this is, but it looks cute. Look, it has sprinkles on the top. That's my favorite part. Okay, guys. Now let's move on to this one. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. You guys see first. Am I holding it right? Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute! This is like Stitch at the beach, but like eating like ice cream. That's so cool. It's like a beach vibe. Like it's so cool, guys. Like it's the cutest. Like guys, like so cute. I wish he was real like that, so I can cuddle him all day. Guys, now medium. This one's the largest, so I will keep this here. Guys, moment of truth. What will I get? Everything is so cute, but among these two, what will I get? What will I get? Oh, there's a card. Okay. Oh, secret. Cowboy Spirit Eric. What's this? Let me check if it's there. What is there? Secret. I think I got this. I don't know what I forgot. Probably I got that one. Guys, I got a secret! So it was right! I got a secret! See? Oh my god, secret! Can you believe that? It's my first thing ever, and I got a secret! Like, oh my god, I'm like mind-blowing! Now, last and final moment. I am not gonna see this. You guys see it. I'm gonna leave it there, upside down, because I do not want to see it. Okay. Okay. Guess what it is? Like, I have to guess. I'm pretty sure it's a donkey or it's a bunny. Guys, it's a crocodile! Oh my god, it's so cute! I was actually wanting the crocodile for, like, I really wanted the crocodile. Like, it's like so cute. And I got what I wanted. Oh my god, it looks so cute. I really want to squeeze it so hard. Anyways, guys, I'll give a tutorial of what we got so far. So right here we have like these squishies, small ones. Then we have this Stitch ice cream beach slide thing, and we have this crocodile Stitch what we got, and the secret. Like, can you believe that's secret? And like Stitch, and then we got this mystery one, Stitch again, alien Stitch, so many Stitch, and we got this cute ice cream squishy. We have this ball like I did like before. Then we have this cute Squishmallow and this cat paw, and we have this weird cat unicorn. Then we have this cat squishy and this Kurumi, and we have this waffle. Then we have camera. Then we have literally a cat paw. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. But before we end, please like and subscribe to my channel and tell your other friends to subscribe or like or comment. So, and before we end, thank you so much for the 103 subscribers. It's more than I asked for. And by the way guys, the Miniso in Melbourne at High Point is the best place for you to get this and the other big one. Like, it's so cute. There's a lot of mystery bags and things like that. So in Melbourne, High Point, Miniso. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.